Hi, and welcome to our Hackathon project. We have created AI illustrated books. Today we will look at the classic Alice in Wonderland. We believe that adding AI to books can help create a more immersive experience. Here you can see the page flipping animation that was created using React. On our page we have the text of the page and the AI generated picture using the text on that page. Once again, here is that page flipping animation. But as you can see, each page has a different text as well as a different AI generated image. The potential here is that any author or publisher can fine-tune models to be their own story crafter and have their own illustrations. Due to the time limit, we opted out one of our core features, AI generated ambient music. This music is created using the text sentiment with text to emotion. Imagine opening up Lord of the Rings and adventurous, lively music starts playing for Bilbo Baggins' introduction. We could not successfully decode the API music return yet, but we'll include that in the future. Some of the other things we want to include are using both sides of the page, having text or image only pages, and lastly, image to video pictures to provide an even more immersive experience. You could narrate a scene through a passage. So here you can see the type of interactions we are having between the front and the back end. We ended up having a lot of trouble getting the post request from the API to the front end. We ended up using a use effect hook to run the page on load. Then we did a pull request of the book that we wanted to read, followed by a post request of its contents. As you can see, we used a lot of console.log and prints. Well, that's our project. In the end, we managed to get an MVP out of this and have future plans to add all the mentioned features along with styling it. Thank you, LabLabAI, for hosting this and spreading the AI knowledge.